Welcome to Garden 1842 and Home. Well, we keep waiting and waiting. This was Tuesday in Ohio. It was snowing. Yesterday was Thursday and the temperature hit 70. So we are waiting and waiting for that garden to get out there and get working. In the meantime, enjoy some pictures of what's to come. These are Linette's garden from last year, and they are glorious. So enjoy. We'll be back in a couple weeks, hopefully with some full garden episodes. It's gotta get warm sooner than later. Make sure you hit that subscribe and like button and comment and tell us what you're hoping to see come springtime. Thanks for watching us. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please come back in a couple weeks for some full-on spring.